This is Emily. She had been keeping a dog for several years. Although she knows some common knowledge about raising the dog, she actually encounters a lot of stumbling from the beginning. Even now, she still faces some situations that she doesn't know how to deal with. This is Jessica. Since Jessica has left home to live alone, she always desires to have a dog as a companion, but she is afraid that she can't deal with it, and she doesn't know whether she has the responsibility or not to take care of a dog. These two personas are the pet lover and pet owner respectively. But in fact, many people have given up on continuing to keep pets. The number of abandoned pets in Hong Kong was 438 last year. Despite the fact that many people like pets, it is inevitable that when people who do not understand the habits of pets are faced with some difficulties in feeding them, they may choose to abandon them. Geeky Pet aims to alleviate the negative impacts of this current situation, and launch at the perfect time to gain traction and grow a core user base. Do you know 26,132 people are planning to adopt a pet in 2019 and are looking for help? These statistics reflected the pet industry still rising up in Hong Kong and becoming one of the potential pet markets. We believe that the demands for knowledge about pet feeding and the consideration of pet owners' responsibility will increase in the future. Let me introduce Geeky Pet. Geeky Pet is a mobile-based platform that provides auxiliary pet adopter evaluation by creating a dog community to connect with pet owners and adopters, emphasizing the pet ownership network in the district. Our vision, Geeky Pet will become a social and education platform for potential adopters and pet owners, meanwhile provide more visualized data to different animal welfare organizations as far as possible to increase our application's credibility and authoritativeness. Geeky Pet will turn into a world-unique adopter evaluation serving our communities and animal welfare organization, first here in Hong Kong and then around the world. The goals of this project, we try to cater to the needs of these two personas through our application. On the one hand, pet owners can exchange their experiences with pet owners and share their moments with dogs. On the other hand, pet lover can measure her sense of responsibility by using our assessment tool, as well as available to learn the pet knowledge in our platform, so that she can be well prepared when she needs to conduct an interview with animal welfare organizations or further action to raise the dog.